My name is Sonia. Have you ever wondered which detergents work best? I'm curious, how does the type of detergent affect the amount of grape juice stain removed? In my science project, the three independent variables are Ivory soap, Clorox regular bleach, and OxiClean liquid laundry detergent. The dependent variable is the amount of grape juice stain removed. Each detergent removes stains differently. Soap allows insoluble particles to become dissolved in water, which can be rinsed off. Chlorine bleach, like Clorox, is a product that has several whitening chemicals that erases any color from a piece of clothing. An oxidizing bleach, like OxiClean, produces a chemical reaction in water which causes the solution to release oxygen molecules that loosen stain molecules. I believe that the more chemical compounds there are in a product, the better it will remove stains. For my hypotheses, I predicted OxiClean would work the best because it had two chemical compounds. I predicted Clorox would work the second best because it had only one compound. Finally, I predicted Ivory would remove the least because it had no specific compound to help eliminate stains. In order to test the detergents, I soaked 15 10 by 10 centimeter fabric squares in a container of grape juice for 24 hours, and then dried them on racks for another 24 hours. Next, I placed 5 of the squares in separate containers of Ivory, Clorox, and OxiClean. Each detergent was diluted with 50% water. After 15 minutes, I removed all fabric squares and rinsed them under water for 1 minute. The fabric squares were dried again for 24 hours. I scored all fabric squares on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being the least amount of stain removed and 10 being the most. My results showed that Clorox did the best job of removing the stain with an average score of 10. OxiClean had an average score of 8 and 4/10. Ivory soap had an average score of 8. By doing this experiment, I have learned that different types of detergents remove different amounts of grape juice stains. If I were trying my project again, I would soak the fabric squares in individual containers of grape juice. This would allow each fabric square to easily soak up the grape juice on both sides without being disrupted by the other fabric squares. My science fair project contributes to the area around me because people would want to buy and stores would want to sell the best type of detergent to remove stains. Thank you for taking your time and listening to my project.